Hi, today I'm in front of me OPPO Find X2 Neo and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search pool we should enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device, and then tap here to open the app. Click enable in settings and near green Apple keyboard tap on the switcher and tap to activate. Then just go back, click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. The process is finished, so let's use the search to see the new keyboard on our device, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.